About to get underway. Some familiar faces. One of them the local girl. New local as well. Born in these parts. Ajla del Ponte. Some stiff opposition today. More so than the lady in lane 4, just inside her. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 34 years of age, born in Kingston, 3-time Olympic champion, 9-time world champion, 4-time Diamond League winner.
Corsia 7 dalla Germania, Alexandra Burkhardt.
Wasinska is out in lane 8. Alexander Burkhardt of Germany in lane 7. Another Jamaican lady goes in lane 6, Natasha Morrison. Now listen to the cheer.
Corsia 5. Quinta ai Giochi Olimpici di Tokyo, quarta alla 4%, che infligge nel record svizzero il 10,90, Ajla del Ponte!
You can hear, understandably popular in these parts. And here she is, the legend herself.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Oh, pretty big cheer for her. Nice to hear. That Swiss goes in lane 3. Mujinga Kambunji. The red hair will tell you. So in lane 2 we have Michelle Lee Aya from Trinidad and Tobago.
The
third Swiss in this race. Who's in lane 1. Leonie Ponte. Their favourite, obviously, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. But what can Ajla del Ponte and Natasha Morrison do to threaten that status? Record belonging to the great Marlinotti, 10.95. Set way back in 1996. The world lead, Elaine Thompson-Herah, 10.54. And a clean starts. She's going well in lane 3, Kambunji, but now she starts to accelerate and she's moving away. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 10.78. She crushes the meet record. Fantastic run and a fantastic time. And she beats a fellow Jamaican great, Marlinotti's meet record that stood at 10.95. Absolutely obliterated. And Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, fantastic start from Mujinga Kambunji in lane 3. She holds on. Breaking 11 seconds, Kambunji to take second ahead of Ajla del Ponte. Will be slightly disappointed in her performance. National record holder Del Ponte, 10.90.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has ascended far beyond mere athletic excellence, carving out a place among the immortals of sprinting. In 2021, the Jamaican sprint queen unleashed an electrifying 100-meter dash, clocking 10.78 seconds, at 34 years old, smashing a 25-year-old meet record of 10.95 and rewriting expectations for veteran athletes in track and field. The build-up to the women's 100-meter final was electric, with a star-studded field that included Switzerland's Ajla del Ponte and Jamaica's Natasha Morrison. Yet, it was Fraser-Pryce who stood at the center of it all, the clear frontrunner with an illustrious resume of 3 Olympic golds, 9 World Championship titles, and 4 Diamond League trophies. Despite the strength of the competition, her supremacy felt almost inevitable. As the starting gun fired, she launched with explosive precision, immediately distancing herself with her trademark lightning start. By the halfway point, the race was already hers. Her mechanics were seamless, her stride fluid and commanding. She crossed the line untouched. Del Ponte delivered a commendable sub-11 finish to claim second, while Morrison secured third, confirming once again Jamaica's iron grip on global sprinting. What sets Fraser-Pryce apart is not just her blistering speed, but her enduring excellence in a sport known for its brutal attrition. Most sprinters wane as they hit their 30s. She defies this norm, staying at the top through relentless work, strategic training, and unbreakable resolve. Her longevity is a case study in athletic mastery. That 2021 triumph was more than just a win. It was a dazzling addition to a resume already overflowing with milestone moments, beginning with her Olympic debut in Beijing 2008. Over the years, she has stayed firmly embedded in the elite tier of sprinting, resisting the usual fade that claims even the greatest. Now, with the 2025 season in view, Fraser-Pryce is still very much in the mix. Emerging stars like Shericka Jackson and the sensational Clayton twins, Tina and Tia, are pushing the boundaries, but Fraser-Pryce continues to meet the challenge head-on. She's not fading into history, she's still writing it. Her influence, however, extends far beyond the stopwatch. As a mother and world-class athlete, she has become a beacon for women in sport, showing that elite performance and personal life can not only coexist but flourish. Her journey speaks to perseverance, purpose, and the power of self-belief. That stunning run in 2021 encapsulates everything she represents: elite athleticism fused with grit, experience, and heart. To dominate at that stage in her career, in a field filled with young talent, is a testament to her unmatched fire and resilience. These are the defining images of greatness. As she prepares for another chapter on the world stage, Fraser-Pryce's legacy feels permanent. Her name is etched into the record books, but her spirit lives in every explosive step she takes. With 2025 fast approaching, the world waits, captivated and expectant, for the next electrifying act from the ever-unstoppable pocket rocket.